Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another video. And in this video I'm gonna talk about one of the dashboards that I have worked on recently, and the data is taken from the Makeover Monday week 15 data. For the ones who don't know about Makeover Monday, let me quickly tell you it's a weekly social competition where you'll be getting data sets, and the dashboards that you make, they get live reviewed and stuff like that. So it's very interesting. So something that you want to definitely give it a try if you're into field of data visualization and analysis. So let me quickly pull up my screen, and this is how the dashboard looks like. So basically I have tried to give it a very clean and sharp design. So the designing has been done using Figma. The ones who haven't used Figma yet, please give it a try. It is one of the best designing tools and easiest tools out there that you can use. You can see all the shadow and stuff that is there on my dashboard. It has been done you know clearly through Figma, and it gives a different appeal to your dashboard altogether. Coming back to the dashboard, and this at the top right corner you can see these three things over here. If you click on this information icon, basically it's an annotation layer. So annotation layers are basically the information and the text that we want to put on our dashboard, but our dashboard doesn't really have space for all the extra text or information about it. So we can use annotation layer for such cases. This annotation layer again has been made using Figma. So here you can see I have mentioned about the dog score, sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, what exactly it is, the weekend, what is weekend score, what are daily score, what are the different kind of categories that have been used to score the cars, and all the information that I want to, extra information that I want to tell about the dashboard has been provided on the annotation layer. Going to the next one, the filters. If I click on filter, you can see top 10 or top 5. If I select top 5, then only the top 5 makers here and the top 5 models here will be shown. If I select top 10, then the top 10 makers and models will be shown. Very simple parameter use in this case. When it comes to country, I can select which country I want to go for. If I want makers and cars only from, let's say, UK, then I can select UK and it will be filtered accordingly. Now you can see all the makers and models from UK. Let's go back to the global level. Let's select all country. I'm closing this one, and this is a very static, I would say, thing that I actually want to try something else, but somehow the user functions are not really working in Tableau Public, and the moment I try to push the user function, the calculated field having the user functions, it is not really letting me do so. So this is something that I can dwell more on, or maybe you guys can give it a try. Basically what I wanted to do was, whosoever is logged in, I wanted the initials of that particular user in this. So as of now it is static. Coming to the visuals, this is a very simple bar chart: top 10 makers versus average, weekend or daily score. So daily score or weekend, you can select again a parameter usage. So if I select daily, then we'll be seeing the top 10 makers based on their daily total scores. You can see Mercedes Maybach is topping it. If I select weekend, then again, well, this is I don't know how to pronounce this one. So this guy is, I mean, this maker is topping it in this case. Same goes for top 10 models versus weekend total or daily total. If you select daily or weekend, accordingly you will be getting your top 10 models. Now comes a bit more interesting part. At the bottom you can see there's a cross tab that I've used, a table that I've used, which shows all the parameters that have been used to score that particular car. So there might be times where you want to sort all the data, all the cars on the basis of their total score, and then there might be cases where you just want them to be sorted by only the daily total, or let's say only the weekend total. So in this case, sort by, you can choose which particular parameter or total score you want it to be sorted by. So let's say I want the most comfortable car, so I can go for sort by comfort, and things will be sorted on the basis of comfort. So you can see all these cars: Cullinan 2019, Cullinan Black, Dawn 2018, all those cars have got till this one, they have got 10 out of 10 in comfort. So they are the most comfortable car out there. Similarly, you can sort in whichever manner, whichever way you want them to be sorted. Now let's say you want to filter it by the makers, that you want to see only Audi cars. So you can select Audi from here, and then what happens is only Audi cars will be shown to you. Audi cars which are worth the value, so you can see they're sorted by value over here. And R18 2014 according to a data set is the most valuable car in from Audi, in this data set. Let's go for acceleration one last try. So in case of acceleration, you can see R8 Decennium 2020 is topping the list. So this is how you can, drill down and see according to your needs, and how which particular category you want the most. In that way you can sort your data set and you can get the best out of this data. So I'll be putting the link of the data set and this dashboard in my description link. So I hope you can further dwell on this dashboard, just play around, use your analysis on it, and see which is the best car out there for you according to your needs, according to what you want. If you like the video till here, please hit the like button, do share, do subscribe, and also if you want to know how to work and how to make annotation layers, so the next video will definitely be on annotation layer. Stay tuned, happy whizzing, see you, bye bye.